Looking for an easy and delicious dessert, I have got you covered. Okay, Carrie, I saw this trend on TikTok.
Okay.
And it's basically chocolate-covered strawberries and raspberries. And you know I had to try it.
Well, all I know is you walked in today with all of this, and I'm like, I'm here for it. So whatever you're doing, I love.
And one of the reasons I love this is when I went to London last year, you could get these on the street. Where you can actually get strawberries and you can walk around eating it. And so when I saw this, I was like, well, I have to do it.
Well, yes.
And it is the easiest thing in the world. So what I have over here is just a boiling pot of water.
Okay.
It doesn't get easier than that.
Normally you do like a double boiler, correct?
Yeah.
Like when you're melting chocolate.
So, and I just put the candy bar straight in there.
Wait a
and
minute.
It melted.
You put the whole thing just in there.
The whole thing in there. That's how easy this is, and that's how easy cleanup's gonna be.
Okay.
And I used this chocolate because it's European chocolate, and European chocolate doesn't have as much wax, so it melts quicker.
It's so much better. It really is.
And so I take the chocolate bar out, and you just cut the corner. Cut it like a little smaller than you think, or else it's gonna get everywhere.
How long did you put it in the...
It melted in maybe like 1 to 2 minutes.
Oh, not long.
So this is so fast.
Okay.
And then, do you wanna do the messy part, Karen?
Sure,
All
why
right.
not?
And so you're just going to like, put it over top of the strawberries.
Ooh, it's melted. It's like so comforting just holding like a melted bar of
chocolate.
chocolate.
And then you just put it over the top.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Look at
Easy.
that.
Okay, we don't want it to drip. Should I do this one?
Yes, and then I put them in cute cups because if you're entertaining or you just want a fancy...
I did not do enough over here. I'm
no, you
adding
didn't.
more.
No,
we
you
gotta
didn't.
have like all the chocolate.
Or you want like a fancy dessert while you're binge watching TV.
Yes.
Which is where I'm at these days.
You put it in this.
In front of the couch.
Yeah.
Eating that. I put some more on here, Karen.
Okay, let's
you
get
absolutely
it.
need
You know,
to.
it wasn't, I was worried about grabbing it right out of the water. It's not hot. It's warm and don't worry about burning.
I used tongs just to be careful, just to be on the safe side. And then if you want to, you can add whipped cream on the top.
Okay.
Do you want whipped cream or not?
Yeah, always.
So we'll get some whipped cream, make that look pretty. And then look at that. It's like the easiest dessert ever. So I'm gonna let you try it.
Here, would you like some too?
I'm gonna do this.
Cheers.
Cheers, here we go.
I love how you have, you could do blueberries, you could do...
Oh yeah, you could sprinkle it with powdered sugar.
You could just do a cup of chocolate.
We're gonna see.
I mean, who needs the fruit? Oh, that's so good.
It's so good. And honestly, like I said, I saw this on TikTok. You can do it with white chocolate. You can do it with dark chocolate. I did it with milk. You could do all three. And like I said, you could probably sprinkle it with a little bit of powdered sugar.
That is so. There's something about melted chocolate and European melted chocolate that is like, I can't put this down.
And fruit and all the things. I would say it was helping with cravings, but let's be honest, I crave chocolate. I was craving it even when I wasn't pregnant. But there you go, TikTok, a winner.
I love that. What if we just eat the chocolate like this? Fine.
Yeah. Yep. There Carrie goes.
There you go.
Thanks, Elora.